in our new office.
Oh, thank you.
So we are very happy to have you
I'm
here.
honored to be here, to be honest, and thank you for having me to your wonderful office. So, Sachin, congratulations on your 10-year anniversary. It's been amazing. It's great. It's been a great journey. Share more about your journey with Ashnik and how you started off and built this amazing company.
Well, 10 years sounds long time,
Yeah.
but actually it is still fresh in my mind, in everybody's mind, that it feels like we just started yesterday. And this journey has been possible because of the partnerships that we have had with the technology companies. Most importantly, our passion for open source, and what we see that one of the two problems we were solving when we started with. We wanted to bring open source technologies companies to Southeast Asia market and India. That has worked very well. Our partnerships with companies like Elastic and then helping them grow the business was one of the key objectives. The second was helping customers adopt these technologies, especially backed by the subscription for their business critical workloads. And today we feel really satisfied in many ways when we go to customers and customers are ready to embrace open source technologies without having to ask questions why open source. They are saying because you guys are bringing open source, we want to talk to you.
So, while I was walking into your amazing office, I saw reimagine, transform, and accelerate. Why open source and what's with reimagine, transform, and accelerate?
We want our team to reimagine the future. It's not going to be same as past. So like I always say, future is not the extrapolation of past. You have to rethink about it in a very different way. What we were doing yesterday in 1 month, today market expects it to happen in 1 day.
Correct.
It's going to be a little pressure, but everybody realize it's going to be fun as well. You are going to transform the industry, you are going to transform yourself.
So Sachin, everybody is keen and excited to know why Elastic. You've been one of the early partners of Elastic in the region. Share more about that journey.
We are very, very honored to, I would say, partner with Elastic very early on. And when we were doing our database technologies, open source database technologies, we early on realized that Elastic is going to play a very important role. Those days Elastic was, I think, version 1, version 2, version 1. It was called ELK, so it was not even Elastic as a company.
Yeah, correct.
But we were very convinced that this is one of the key technologies, not just for the sake of solving any technical problem, but basically will be very important for solving business problems. That's why we see Elastic's use case or their footprint is much larger. It is not just about log aggregation, it is not just about security analytics, but it's a holistic. You think about any real-time analytics need, and then you add machine learning capabilities, it becomes a very, very important and powerful tool, platform for the customer.
And I'm actually glad and I'm very excited because you mentioned machine learning and we were discussing yesterday with the team that you've been getting into APM with machine learning and you're now talking about the same capabilities with machine learning to your customers. So I'm glad to have you as a partner. So Sachin, I really want to know how Elastic's contributed to your success.
Elastic, I must say, had a lot of big contribution to our success. As I said, we adopted it or we partnered with Elastic very early on in our journey as well as Elastic's journey as well. Customers are talking to us today about security solution. Customers are talking to us about entire log aggregation platform. Customers are talking to us about machine learning projects. So which means what we see is when we go to a customer, we have more things to talk to them. We have more teams to talk to within the same customer, as well as our addressable or entire addressable market has grown. So now the challenge for us is how do we accelerate that? Remember I talked about accelerate, and that's why Elastic is one of the vehicles for us to accelerate that journey.
Excellent. So it's really good to know that you started off by just selling the stack to the customers, and now you're selling solutions to the customers and addressing more complex challenges. You're kind of solving challenges and problems for the customer now as providing solutions as opposed to just providing one single stack. So it's been amazing. Yeah.
Exactly, and that has also helped our team to become consultants to the customers, trusted advisors.
Excellent.
Which every company wants to be seen as a trusted advisor. but you need to have right technology with you. You need to be solving right challenges with that technology. And we see the role of Elastic in that space really helping us innovate our pitch also.
It's been an amazing journey, Sachin, and I'm grateful that we are partnering with you, guys. I'd like to wrap up by saying that I am because we are, and it's been an amazing journey. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you.